Hi everyone, it's Angie. Thank you for coming to my channel. I'm here today to do a quick DT share for Tracie Fox, and that's Tracie Fox Creative, and she is a digital artist. I'm sure everybody knows Tracie. The kit that I used for my project was the Awesome Assemblage little layered tags. So, sorry. There's that. And yeah, so let's get started. So when I printed out the kit, the first thing I saw when I was looking at all the tags is I saw these little mini clipboards on one of the sheets. And so I thought, I'm going to go see if I can make some little mini clipboards. And so what I did is I printed them out, and I did print them out borderless and 100%. And that seemed to work really well with the size of little clips that I have. And these clips are from Tim Holtz, and they come like this. So they're really super shiny and black, which, you know, it's all right. But I'm, you know me, I love rust and grunge. And so you have to scuff these up a little bit. So I just scuff this up with some sandpaper, and then you put them in your solution and you rust them up. There's all kinds of different kinds of solutions to rust. But anyway, so I did that, and then just kind of put it together. So this is a hidden, we'll go with this one first. This is a hidden paper clip, little dangle, and you can put more on here. I was thinking of more. I just finished these up actually last night, and so I was thinking, well, I could put like more in here. I could put like a word here, you know, you could put like a little dangle, crystal. Possibilities are endless with this little dangle. And then you just clip it on to your paper, and you can add these to a page or in your journal, and it can stick up on top. I always like things to stick up on top of my journals, just fun. So it looks really cool. I thought that was really fun to make. So anyways, I just printed it out, like I said, on the settings, and then I wired this in and glued it down. And then this is a book plate. I do all kinds of things with book plates. I don't always use things what they're intended for. So anyways, that's my version of a hidden paper clip. Sorry guys, that's my little dog. And then this one, I just kept it as a notebook, you know. So this is just a regular little mini clipboard with the paper in it. And then I just thought these were cool. I printed out her words on a transparency because that's the way I wanted to use them. So I thought it looked neat just like this on this little clipboard. So this is like this little mini clipboard. And then the final big project that I did, it's tiny. So look how tiny it is. That's so adorable, you guys. This is a little itty bitty journal, little rustic, grungy, kind of urban style journal. And so here's the top. I'll show you around the journal first, and then we'll go ahead and open it. This is a fabric with some texture on it. And then my little dangle, my key, of course. And then this is one of the Tracie's print out in that kit. And then the little top. I love doing this. I have little tutorials on how I utilize paper clips and wire and safety pins. I just love things on the top, a little bit on the side there. Okay, so let's open that really quick. And I just use a little wrap on my journals lately. I thought, I don't know, just the way I'm doing them right now. So this is the little mini clipboard that I made. Looks like a little frame with glass, and then that's her little printout. So yeah, so I just glued the clipboard on there. So let's open this little thing. So here's her little tags. I just put some copper paint around that. A lot of her little ephemera. You can see that right there. We'll just put these back in later. And then a little picture there. And that's what my little pockets look like. And a little tiny mishmash of paper and fabric and thread. And then this is, I make mine in like, I have a signature cover. So I'll do 3 of those or more if the spine's thicker. This is the first signature, and this is the first cover. So I work a lot with wire. I love wire. So I like to frame it, or it's just another form of texture. And then copper, the paint just kind of pops off of the black and the white. And this is the little tab. This is also a little tag. So just pull that out. And I think they're so fun. We'll just stick that there. We'll put it away later. And then I just grunged up her little tag there as well. And then all my journals are to be written in or painted. You can put gesso over there, black gesso, white gesso, mark making. So mine are kind of like a naked journal. And everything is pretty much the same throughout the other 2 signatures. I did a little collage, and on these little collages, this Tracie's tag as well in the kit. I did a little collage, and I love hanging these little dangles, and I started doing these little tiny snaps a couple years ago, and to hang on the ends, and I just love them because they're just metal and they're tiny, and they just add so much fun at the bottom. So anyways, just my painted pages, tea stained. Some are a little grunged up, and then I put just a little piece of fabric so it hangs out the bottom. And I sometimes just like to use like little paper clips and hang them out the edge because I just like that look of metal. So that was the first signature. Here's the second one. And the back has a little grungy tag, and then this is the top of that one. So I just spiral or circle, make a circle with some wire, put it on there. I love doing that. Like I said, I put all kinds of anything's a topper for me. Everything is pretty much the same. And then there's the second little tag. I love this little book. I don't know. I'm a person who loves miniature things as well. Whoops. And then there's a little piece of lace there, or trim. And here's the third one. And then this one has a safety or a paper clip. And I also do them on the sides, and I have like a little tutorial how I show you how I do that. And like I said, everything's repeated. There's the third one with the little dangle over here. And then a little piece of fabric. There's a few painted pages in here. And then here's the back, the little dangle. And this is just a little pocket with more of Tracie's tags in there. And then this is just a little faux metal looking 6. I like that. And here's the back. And there you go, guys. These are my little projects that I did for Tracie. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so I hope you head over there and grab her latest kit. She's got a ton of kits out. She's a fabulous artist. And yeah, thank you for all my new subs, and hope everybody's having a wonderful fall, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.